Hello guys, welcome to Same Tech Hub, and in today's video I want to show you guys how to buy ECG prepaid online using your mobile money. Okay, so without wasting my time, first we need to download an app called the ECG mobile app. Okay, so this app will help us to buy our prepaid credits using our mobile money online without going to the ECG office or anywhere. Okay, so this app you can find it on the Play Store or the App Store. So since I'm using iPhone, I'll just open my App Store. Okay, but if you're using an Android, you just need to go straight to your Google Play Store and search for the ECG mobile app. Okay, so I'll just search for ECG mobile app. You can see ECG mobile app just pop up here. Okay, so what you have to do is to click on this ECG Power App. Yes, and you need to download. You can see I've already downloaded the app. Yes, so you just need to download the app. So when you're done downloading the app, you open the app. Okay, and you need to log in or you need to sign up. Yeah, you can see I've already signed up with my details. Okay, so this is the interface of the ECG Power App. Okay, and in this video I'll guide you on how you can buy your prepaid credit or your postpaid credit using this ECG Power App. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is to click on this meter. Okay, you can find meter at the navigation bar down below, so you just need to click on the meter. Okay, and you can see I've added a lot of meters over here, a lot of prepaid meters and postpaid meters over here. Okay, so what you have to do now is to swipe to the left. Okay, and you meet add prepaid meter or add postpaid meter or add the install third-party vendor account. Okay, so if your meter, your electricity meter or your ECG meter is a postpaid meter, you just need to click on this to add your postpaid details over here. If it's a prepaid, you just need to click on this to add your prepaid. Okay, so let me add an account. Okay, let me add a meter here to show you guys how to do it. Okay, so I am adding a prepaid meter. I just need to click on this, then I'll enter the meter number. Okay, you can see meter number, add prepaid meter. You can manage and top up the credit of your meter anytime. Okay, so I'll just add the prepaid meter number. Okay, and if you don't know how to find your meter number, you can just click on this to guide you. Okay, or you can just search your meter. I'm sure it is written on the meter. Yes, so now I will just paste in some meter number. Okay, so this is my meter number over here. I'll just click on verify to verify the meter number. Okay, so these are the details we registered on the meter. Okay, so I'll just click on this is correct. If these are correct at your end, let's say you registered your meter with your name or any name, you just need to confirm the details. Okay, so if they are correct, you just need to click on this is correct and you just saved it, maybe your sister's house or maybe your brother's house or anyhow you can save it. Okay, so that you know the house or you know the account you are buying. Let's say you added a lot of prepaid meter over here, you can know the one you are buying the prepaid for. Okay, so I'll just save it as sister's house and you need to tap on this to get a location. Okay, so I'll just click on this, then save the meter. Okay, so you can see I have saved the prepaid meter over here as sister's house. Okay, so before we can buy the prepaid, we need to first add a payment method. And to add the payment method, you can just click on this wallet. Okay, you can see there is a wallet over here. Yes, so when you click on the wallet, you will see this. You can see I've already added my MTN mobile money and my Telecel Cash. Okay, so to add your mobile money or any payment method you want, you can just click on this add mobile money, wallet or bank. Okay, then you select if you want to use your mobile money to do this or your bank, you can just add them. Okay, so if you want to use your mobile money, you just click on this mobile money, then you click on this mobile money network to select the network you want to use to buy the prepaid. Okay, so if you want to use AirtelTigo or you want to use Gym Money or you want to use MTN mobile money or Telecel Cash, you can just select the one you want. Let's say I want to use MTN, I'll just select MTN, then I'll enter my MTN number over here and click on save this wallet. Okay, and automatically this will save the mobile money wallet I want to use. Okay, so you can see I have saved like some mobile money over here. Yes, now let's buy the credit. Okay, since you have already added our payment method, let's buy the ECG prepaid credits. Okay, so to buy the credits, you just need to click on this meter again, then you scroll or you look for the prepaid meter or the postpaid meter you want to buy the credit for. Okay, so let me use the mom's house. Okay, so to buy the credits, I'll just click on buy credit. Okay, you can see buy credits over here, so I'll click on buy credit, then enter the amount I want to buy. Okay, so let's say I want to buy 100 cedis. I'll just enter the 100 cedis, then click on top up. Okay, then I will select the payment method I want to use to buy. Okay, so this is 100 cedis. Let's say I want to use the MTN to buy. I'll just click on this MTN. If I want to use the Telecel to buy, I'll just click on this Telecel. Okay, so let me just choose the Telecel and click on confirm. Okay, they will deduct the money from my Telecel. Okay, so I'll click on confirm. Then I will check if the details are correct. Okay, so I'll just check through, and yes, the details are correct. So I'll just click on this. This is correct. Okay, and we just need to wait for the pop-up to appear. Okay, so I'll just enter my PIN over here to buy the credit. So when you're done making payments, you just need to click on I have paid. Okay, so I'll click on I have paid, and you can see the payment was successful. Okay, so what you have to do is to click on this check status. Okay, and you can see this payment was successful, and this is our credit token. Okay, so you just need to go to your prepaid meter and enter this token on the meter. Okay, you can see some numbers on the meter, some 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, you just enter the numbers, okay, on the meter to recharge your prepaid, okay, or recharge your postpaid meter. Okay, so this is how you can buy your ECG prepaid or postpaid online using your mobile money. Okay, and it's very easy. Okay, so this video will guide you on how to do that. Okay, you can also click on this view receipt to see how your transaction went on smoothly. Okay, so you can see I bought the prepaid 100 cedis. Yes, the amount I paid is 100 cedis, and I bought it to this meter number over here. Okay, and this is the token I will use to activate it. Okay, or use to credit the meter. Okay, so if this video helped you to know how you can buy the prepaid meter or your postpaid meter, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.